How to add Filecoin on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Filecoin on a Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up the Trust Wallet app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for Filecoin. To add Filecoin, just simply toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Now again click on Filecoin. Now tap on receive. With the help of this wallet address and QR code, you can receive Filecoin from different crypto wallets. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Filecoin to your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.